Before buying a dual extruder 3D printer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. You might think they're all the same, but real buyers are voicing their frustrations about hidden issues that can make or break your printing experience. Product number 1, Flashforge Adventurer 5M. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M caught my eye right away because of its impressive features and budget-friendly price of just $249. If you want a reliable dual extruder printer that makes 3D printing easy and efficient, this is worth a serious look. This printer shines with its one-click automatic printing feature, which means you don't have to fuss over bed leveling. It boasts a max speed of 600 ms and a direct extruder that can reach up to 280 degrees C, ensuring high-quality prints. Plus, with its dual-fan nozzles and multiple nozzle sizes, you're set for both speed and detail, which is essential for creating intricate designs. Now here's the thing. Some users mentioned issues with the app connectivity and monitoring capabilities. While that's a concern, it's not a deal-breaker for everyone. If you're tech-savvy, you might appreciate the speed and quality this printer delivers more than a few app hiccups. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or an enthusiast looking for an easy-to-use, efficient dual extruder. Skip this if you need advanced monitoring features or if you're very particular about app functionality. At $249, it offers solid value for those wanting to dive into dual extruder printing without breaking the bank. Now, if the tech issues with the Adventurer 5M concerned you, the next one might just be the solution you're looking for. Product number 2, Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Next up is the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, priced at $219. What really stands out here is its high-speed printing capability of 250 ms. If you want a printer that can keep up with your creative pace, this one deserves your attention. The CR Touch auto leveling feature takes the stress out of setup, letting you jump right into printing. With dual Z-axis support and a solid design, you'll enjoy stable and precise prints every time. But some reviews mention that the assembly process can be somewhat complicated. I get it, if you're not handy, that could be a hassle. However, once it's set up, it really delivers on performance and quality, making it worth the initial effort. This is perfect if you want a budget-friendly option that still offers high-quality prints and ease of use. Skip this if you're looking for a fully assembled unit or if you're not comfortable with a bit of DIY. For $219, it's a great entry into the dual extruder world. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger projects. Product number 3, Creality K2 Plus Combo. Now let's talk about the Creality K2 Plus Combo, priced at $1,199. This one is designed for serious creators who want to print in multiple colors and handle larger volumes. If you're looking to take your designs to a whole new level, this printer is worth considering. That means you won't need to paint your prints afterward, which can save a ton of time. It also features a max printing speed of 600 ms and a build volume of 350, making it perfect for larger models. The dual AI cameras help monitor your prints and alert you to any issues, which adds a layer of convenience and peace of mind. However, it is quite a jump in price, and some users felt it was overkill for smaller projects. If you mostly print simple designs, you might not need all this power. But if you're serious about your craft and want to experiment with multi-materials and colors, this printer is a powerhouse. This is great for professionals or dedicated hobbyists who want to create intricate multicolor designs. Skip this if you're a casual user or if your projects are generally small. For $1,199, it provides a lot of advanced features and capabilities. Now, if the price of the K2 Plus combo raised your eyebrows, check out this next offering that balances features and cost. Product number 4, Creality K2 Plus Combo Alternate. Next on the list is another version of the Creality K2 Plus Combo, also priced at $1,199. It offers similar features but with a different build size and design. If you want the same quality but prefer a different take, this one's for you. This model also features the multicolor printing capability and a large build volume of 350. What's interesting is the dual AI cameras that monitor print quality and help ensure you're getting the best results without constant supervision. The high-speed printing capability means you won't be waiting long for your designs to finish. One critique I found was that some users experienced issues with the auto-leveling feature not being as reliable as expected. While it can be a bother, many users found that as long as you check the leveling manually occasionally, it still gets the job done effectively. This is perfect if you're looking for a reliable machine that can handle larger projects and multicolor needs. Skip this if you need a more compact printer or if you're just starting with 3D printing. At $1,199, it's a solid investment for serious creators looking to expand their capabilities. Finally, let's look at a more budget-friendly option that still offers some great features. Product number 5, Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro. Last up is the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro, which comes in at $379. This printer focuses on efficiency and convenience, delivering a hassle-free experience for both beginners and experienced users. If you want reliable speed without sacrificing quality, this one is worth considering. The Adventurer 5M Pro has a max travel speed of 600 ms and a quick nozzle heat-up time of just 35 seconds, which is perfect for those who want to minimize waiting. Its automatic bed leveling is a game changer, ensuring that your prints start perfectly every time. Plus, the range of compatible materials means you can explore various creative avenues. That said, some users noted that the print quality can vary depending on the material used. While this can be frustrating, many found that with a little tweaking, they could achieve excellent results consistently. It's a printer that rewards experimentation. This is ideal for those who want a user-friendly printer that delivers speed and quality. Skip this if you're looking for a printer specifically for high-detail miniatures or intricate designs. For $379, it offers great value, especially considering its features and ease of use. So there you have it. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M and 5M Pro are fantastic options if you want ease and efficiency, while the Creality Ender 3v3 SC offers a great entry-level experience. For more advanced users, the K2 Plus combo provides the ultimate in multicolor printing and larger projects. Whichever you choose, there's something here for every 3D printing enthusiast.